right now. While millions of people are scrolling social media, commuting to jobs they hate, and arguing online about whether AI is good or bad, a small group of people is quietly building something else. Invisible businesses, automated systems, digital workers that never sleep, and every single day, the gap between them and everyone else gets bigger. Because the scariest part about the AI revolution isn't that robots are replacing humans. It's that humans are being replaced by humans who know how to use robots. For almost 100 years, the formula was simple: work harder, work longer, get promoted, save money, retire safely. But the internet broke that model, and AI is destroying what's left of it. Because for the first time in history, one person can now do the work of entire teams. One AI operator can write faster than writers, design faster than designers, analyze faster than analysts, and automate work that used to require entire companies. The world no longer rewards effort equally. It rewards leverage. Let's talk about David. David is smart, hardworking, disciplined. He wakes up early, works 10 hours a day, answers emails immediately, takes extra projects, and every year, he gets slightly more exhausted because David still believes time equals money. But in the AI economy, that belief becomes a prison. See, if David stops working, his income stops. But AI operators don't think like workers anymore. They think like system builders.